I was given this multimeter to review, and I'm going to show some great features it has. The probes it comes with is a nice high quality probe. I do like that it's got probe protectors that come with it. Makes it really nice for when you're done putting it away, you're not poking yourself. It is a clamp on style, so you can check amperage, and the range is from 4 amps to 600 amps AC. One great feature is got a non-contact voltage detector, so you can just bring it close to your wire, see if you have voltage. It has your ohms, and it has a continuity tester. It does DC and AC. And it has an auto feature for your different ranges, or you can manually select your range. It also has a temperature probe. It has Fahrenheit and Celsius. It comes with all what you see here. Got a carrying case. It is also have a backlit LCD screen. You can also test your capacitors. We got 242, and the capacitor range on this one is 216 to 259 microfarads, so we are good. I recommend this product for ease of use and the quality it is.